In this video we will show that how can we install Brave browser in Ubuntu. So for that, first open up your browser and from here search for Brave. Hit enter. Click on this first link, which is brave.com. Now coming to this website, click on this download Brave. Now from here you will get these types of commands. So first just copy this command and paste into your terminal one by one, right? Second, again copy this command and paste into your terminal. So it just fetch loading some files. Okay it's just loading all the files. Now paste again command, hit enter. Now again copy the third command and then paste into your terminal, hit enter. Now after that just copy these two commands and then paste this command and hit enter, and it will update the repository first, right? It will update the repository first and then it will install the Brave installer for us. As you can see, it just started downloading the Brave installer. So depending upon the internet connection, hit Y, hit enter, it will download your Brave browser in your system, right? If you using any types of other types of Linux distribution, just like Fedora or CentOS or maybe Red Hat, so you need to follow these type of commands, right? I'm using Ubuntu, which is Debian based, and Debian based other types of OS like Linux Mint, Zorin OS, Kali Linux. So all these types of OS can be follow this same pattern which I shown in this video, right? So I hope this browser will be downloaded within few seconds. So just wait for few seconds. Basically, when you using Ubuntu, you need patience, right? When you need to learn any types of Linux things, you need patience. So just wait for few seconds until it's complete. Okay, all right. So as you can see, it just almost completed all the things. Okay, our Brave is downloaded. If I search in the Explorer and if I search for Brave, as you can see, Brave browser is here. So click on it, set as maybe later. Okay, and you can pin into this add favorite button. Let's go next. Select default Google as search engine. As you can see, Brave is ready. If I search here for, let's say, YouTube, I know you will open YouTube first when you use Brave, right? You can also scale it from here. You just click on this setting and from here you can search here for zoom, right? And from here, where is zoom? Here, page zoom. Click on 125. It will loads best type of view for you. Okay, so as you can see, YouTube got loaded on our Brave. You can search here from our channel, which is microcodes.in. Okay, .in maybe. Okay, you can search any types of things as you want, right? I just shown you how can you do this. Yeah, our channel is here, so you can subscribe to our channel as you like. Thank you.